And I'm gonna come down here and start making our tomato cucumber mint salad. I have 4 thinly sliced cucumbers, and I'm gonna dump those in my bowl, along with a couple of thinly sliced onions, and about 4 tomatoes. All right, I'm gonna add some pepper. I'm gonna mix together a 1/2 cup of white vinegar, a 1/2 cup of olive oil. I'm gonna take 1 log of goat cheese and just pinch it in pieces. And if you're not a big fan of goat's cheese, don't shy away from this recipe. Just make a substitution because this is gonna be really, really nice. All right, so let's finish on up with our salad. I'm probably gonna take 20 mint leaves. If y'all have a little patch of yard that you can throw some mint in, you'll enjoy it so much. And this mint requires very little loving care. All right, now I'm just gonna pile this up, kind of like I would if I was doing collard greens. And I'm just gonna cut these in little bitty strips, being careful not to get my digits. The crushing of that leaf is gonna allow all the flavors to come out of that piece of mint. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and toss that over into my salad bowl. And then I'm gonna give our oil and vinegar a little stir. And then I'm just gonna drizzle this over this salad, and I'm gonna let it marinate until we're ready to eat. But look how pretty that is. Now you can use your imagination, but don't drop that mint if you're serving lamb, because that's really gonna be a nice complement with that rack.